Hello, right there, my peeps. How is y'all doing? So, crazy world we live in, apparently, allegedly. Getting the elephant out of the room, I really hope y'all staying home, safe and sound, healthy. Keep yourself healthy. Very important. Wash your hands, and yeah, to extreme situations takes extreme measurements. Working from home, so that's a good thing. I'm very blessed because of that. And today's my boyfriend's birthday, so I'm just getting ready, and I figured, you know what, I really don't have much to do after work, so might as well edit video. So I'm recording this to show you the makeup that I'm gonna do for today. I already did my hair, so it's kind of like curly, like natural girl type of vibe that I'm going for. I just have my hair on a braid, but yeah, let's get started. Welcome back if you are returning viewer, and hello, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. If you are new here and just happen to be across this video today, it's a fun time, so follow me on Insta if you want, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm prepping my skin. I'm literally in the middle of prepping my skin. So what I did, it was putting some toner. I used this one that is about to be empty. It's by Clarins. It's really good. I really like it. I have oily skin, so it's really good for my oily skin. And I just put this red energy recovery serum because work at my house is crazy, so I'm really not been sleeping well. I really hope this works. It's the first time I'm trying it. I'm excited for this one. I got it in the March edition for the Allure beauty box. I'm gonna grab a chair real quick and I'll be back because you're not tall enough. Oh, let me see if I can move you. Hold on. Wow, this is way better for sure. Awesome. Can you see me? It will focus eventually. So as I was saying, I put that serum in, and now Lou's gonna go with this lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. It's new again from the little box, and we're gonna use it today. This is kind of like a first impressions type of thing we love. So it's a moisturizer cream. It says that is good also for your body. So as I said, I have oily skin. I'm just gonna put it in the places that I will get, I don't know, like wrinkles and stuff like that, because I feel it just needs moisturizer. So let's see. It smells really good. It smells like lemon pie. Apply it wherever you feel you need some moisture. So I will apply it here, because if I smile a lot, then I will get wrinkles with the makeup, and I hate that because I look ugly. We don't want to look ugly today. So I will put it here also. Whatever I put the concealer, it will not crease. So since it says that this one is very moisturizer, I'm not gonna use it for my entire face. I'm just gonna use it for my under eyes and the places that I show you. We're gonna go with another moisturizer, and it's the blue one. It is by Peter Thomas Roth. It's a water drench, not even gonna try to say this, moisturizer. It's a water base, which is good for my skin type. I'm gonna put it on my forehead and the rest of my face, basically. Just this is more than enough, honestly. You don't need to put much, and it is very watery, so it's gonna look super glowy on the skin. Really nice. So you don't have to like have a ton of creams and stuff, but if you do, just play with it. And if you don't, just use whatever you want. For a very long time I was using only this. It's a seriously soft body lotion. It is a moisturizer as well, and I will use it for my neck and my elbows. It works fantastic and it's not expensive at all. Put it on your body, make sure that you're well moisturized so you can look healthy and young forever. Never ugly, okay? We don't want ugly, we want beautiful and moisturized. That got aggressive very quickly. Anywho, we shall continue. Since I put that butter under my eyes, I'm not gonna put an under eye cream or anything because I feel that's more than enough. I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's not, but like whatever. Now, this is a part that you will put sunscreen, but we're inside. we're not going outside. I'm going to my boyfriend's house and we're all gonna stay inside. So I'm not gonna put sunscreen. I am going to put the e.l.f. Poreless Beauty Putty Primer. Amazing. Completely recommend. I love this thing because it makes my pores to be invisible. It's kind of like a cream. Again, I've been using a lot of cream stuff, but it works very nicely even if I have oily skin. We're going all out today because not only because it's his birthday, but pretty sure I'm not going anywhere for a very long time. So once we have all of the primer in your face, not in mine, in yours, we are going to go ahead and use concealer because we need to conceal those faces thing. I'm debating if I should use foundation. My birthday is calling. Hold on one second. Okay, so change of plans. We cannot do anything extra because I'm late. I didn't even know. But it is 7:15 right now and I have like 5 minutes to do this, which is fine with Gucci. So we're not gonna use foundation. We're just gonna go ahead and do something very simple, very casual. We're going with like low-key, still cute type of vibe. And we're gonna put some few drops of concealer. Keep in mind that this one is like super pigmented. It is good for my spot, but it is not good if I want to look like a ghost because it is very, very briny. I know, I look terrible with the concealer right now. It's not blended whatsoever. But it's Gucci. It's amazing when you blend it out right away. Promise you. I'm thinking I'm gonna set this concealer because it's not that it's going anywhere, that's for sure. But I need to even my color out because I look terrible. I look like a ghost. And I'm not about to scare anybody. Not even my boyfriend's family. The good thing about this loose powder, the one that I always use in my videos, is that ay, coño. So that is a freaking pimple right there. So we're just gonna add it like that, very loosely. We're not baking. The only baking I'm doing is later for the cupcakes. So I'm doing for him these banana cupcakes that are amazing. I will link the recipe below because it is really good. I used to be vegan for like a month. It's really hard because you cannot find really good vegan cheeses. I loved it as long as I was doing it, and I found that recipe. It is amazing. You guys have no idea. But yeah, we're now gonna go with some bronzer. It is broken, the highlighter, which sucks. This is by Makeup Forever. I have had this bronzer for forever, honestly, like not even a joke. So we're just gonna contour a little bit. The good thing about getting ready this quickly is that I have music that is super chill, so it's not stressing me out. It's more like, you know. We're now going to go ahead and do some hula because I love this hula bronzer, honestly. Obsessed. I got this as a Christmas gift so long ago. The good thing about Christmas is that it came with a highlighter and also a mascara, and it was like these Christmas sets. And I know it's travel size, but it has lasted for a very, very long time, like literally years, and that's really good. It's the size of my eye, you see? Okay, that's awkward. We have the bronzer in. I still look terrible, but it's fine. We're gonna fix this. Some blush. Love blush, and since it's not a party, I can use a lot as if it was daytime. And I'm going to use this light pink one along with this orangey one. So this is kind of like a rush makeup when you're running late. Me all the time. Not much talking, more doing. Gonna put on the tip of your nose as if you're not sick, just as if you're getting a lot of sun, which you're not. I hope not. You know, a friend of mine, she was like ranting on Instagram, and she's like, you're all very stupid because you need to get sun. You do, because the sun is gonna help you, but it's only the morning sun. So if you want to take sun to not get sick or anything, I would recommend you to be in a patio. Don't go to a public place, you know, even if you just literally are at your door for a second. That helps a lot for your immune system, at least. And if you have to actually go out because life, then try to do it early in the morning because that's the healthy side. You want healthy sun, no bad sun, okay? Now, I will do the highlighter, but we need to do the eyes first. And as I said, I wanted to use some reddish eyeshadow, which I have here. This one is the reddish eyeshadow, and I love this palette. Like, the colors are beautiful. This is by Colourpop, and it's a California Love thing. I'm stressing out if you can notice it. I don't know how fun is this video gonna be, but like, it is quite something for sure. So now we can grab this fluffy brush to put this color that is called Laguna all over your lid. I am very much aware this is a very orangey color, so just gonna pack it in there. Put that in there. You see? Guess what? Gorgeous. Beautiful. Put it under your eyes like so. So I actually got a couple of new brushes, and we're gonna be using this one. It is like this. It is super flat, as you can see. I'm gonna use it to packet it out as an eyeliner with the red that is called Gold Rush. It has like goldish sparkles in it, and that's amazing. So you're just gonna packet it in there, okay? Like so. Awesome. Can you see that line? That line is red, I promise. I seriously need to get like some lighting stuff for my videos because this is not working. Okay, now we put it on this eye, and the end you just take it out. Looks like a cat eye type of thing. Cool. Now for the bottom line, we're not going to use red because we want that to pop. So we're gonna use this Highway one that is brownish. It's the same as this one but in brown. So we're gonna use that one like this. We grab a little bit more of the red one just to put it on the bottom at the end and create a line. You see? We create this line like this. That way the line is gonna be even in both sides because you're doing it from the bottom line instead of the actual thing, you know? There you go. Ah, nice, right? I like it. To connect them, we're gonna use a better brush. We're gonna grab this one. It is like this and it's super stiff. So make sure that it's clean because last time I used it, it had black. So you can imagine the disaster that came with it. We're going to connect the end of the line with the one that we have on top. Super simple. That's literally it. Like, you're not gonna do anything else. Awesome. So now that you have the line with the eyeshadow, we are going to go ahead and go back just to retouch the red line with this one because it gives you more color, is what I've been noticing. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Now you can see it even with this bad lighting. You can imagine how it is in real life. It is beautiful. So now we have this Cahuenga color right here that is a little bit more shiny, sparkly. So I'm gonna put it here, which is the inner corner of your eye. I love this makeup. I have this one that is by Anastasia. It's from one of their palettes, the Renaissance palette. And we're gonna use this bottom brush. And we're going to go ahead and use some Laguna for the bottom. You know, maybe we can use this fluffy one. I'm scared. Please work for me. I am scared. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, it's not getting messed up. I just needed a more color because since we used just a brown, it was looking a little bit empty, lonely, just like me today. Anywho, after this, we can go ahead and use an gnarly, I think it will be pronounced. I'm not sure. And we're just gonna put it here, just to give us some dimension. And now we are going to go with the highlighter. And for the highlighter, we are actually going to use this tippy toe here. This new highlighter that I got on the box from last month, it is amazing. Look at that. It is called After Hours and it's by Wonder Beauty. So good, so good, you have no idea. You're just gonna put it on this side like that. So it looks like, wow, it's shining and shining bright like a diamond. We add a little bit on the tippy toe, you know, on the bridge here. And now we're gonna add it on the face, the entire face. For that, I'm gonna use this NYX brush. 02 is the number. With the same highlighter, we're just gonna put this on the high parts of your face. I love highlighters, so you can put whatever you want, but I love putting it everywhere. So we are about to be ready. Told you this was gonna be fast. Only took me 20 minutes. Now we're gonna go with the eyebrows. Coño. We also need to use the mascara. Don't forget mascara, bro. So we're gonna use the Radial Glamour Lash. Is it the same one? No, Wonderlash. Okay, it's a mascara that allegedly is really good. We're gonna curl the eyelashes first. And I used this yesterday and it's not as strong as the name makes it to be, but it's perfect for this eye look because I want is the eyeshadow and color eyeliner to pop and not my eyelashes. The consistency is super weird. It's kind of like gel-ish type of vibe. It reminds me a lot of the Glossier mascara because it actually looks very natural. Like, yeah, it does gives you length, but not much volume, to be honest. Now we finished with that. Now that we have this, we're gonna paint them out, your eyebrows. Last time I did my eyebrows so badly and I was like, what's wrong with me? I still don't know what's wrong with me. So we're going with the Glossier Boy Brow. This thing's amazing. The color is perfect and it will keep your eyebrows in place until forever. You just paint them and brush them and make them feel beautiful and they will behave. I really go for the natural look. I know, you just be like, oh my god, Sarah, your eyebrows are disgusting. But like, it's fine. They're my eyebrows. They're my disgust, okay? We're going to use this new gloss that is by Floss. It doesn't say what color this is, but it's this very pretty mauvey color. Oh, look at the applicator. I thought it was gonna be different. If you like it, then go ahead. Oh my god, go ahead and buy it. But if not, don't buy it. Simple as that. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. So this is my face. It is ready. Gonna use some earrings. These are just gold hoops. Gonna put these. Where is it? Where's my ring? The ring. Important. Because if I go without the ring, he'll die. He'll be like, what the fuck? This ring, earrings, cadenitas, as I would like to call them. This is from Target, and Target has very nice jewelry for very affordable prices. This was on $224, and look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Nothing else will do. Want you. Nothing else, I just want you. Worship session right here. I'm sure you didn't click for this, but I'm sorry. We're gonna use this perfume that is called Heavenly by Victoria's Secret. A little splash here, a little splash here. I remember seeing this video by Victoria's Secret years ago where they say that they actually use perfume on the hair so it lasts longer, and I always do that. I don't know if it lasts longer, but let me take you here so you can see with a better lighting the makeup. And let me show you my outfit before I go. Well, you can see it here better. This is a top by Sara, H&M, and I'm gonna be using these H&M shoes actually. This gold jewelry, very basic, simple, nothing crazy. So this is the makeup for today. I know you didn't click for a worship session and an outfit of the day, but I really hope you will enjoy. I really enjoyed recording this video. For some reason, I don't know, it was really fun. I really hope you all stay very, very safe and clean and healthy. Please don't die. I don't want you to die. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos, just click on subscribe button to see more of this little face right here, and give it this video a like if you actually liked it. Share it with your friends, with your family. I don't know what you want to do with life. Next time I'll see you in my next video. Don't know when or what is it gonna be. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.